is Kanlika. I'm Microsoft MVP and trainer. So basically, if you ask me who I am 11-time Microsoft MVP, and I'm usually working on the design and development of Dynamics 365 projects as a solution or technical architect positions. And it says 15 years, but at the moment it's 18 years experience I have with the Microsoft Dynamics, and nearly more than 200 projects I have completed with Microsoft Dynamics ecosystem. It contains Power Platform, AI, and the other relevant technologies as well regarding the Dynamics ecosystem. So basically today I would like to start my words with the AI Builder. Some of you maybe if you joined my previous sessions, you can remember in the last presentation in this Dynamics community, I talked about the AI Builder capabilities, and then I did some demonstrations regarding this issue. Again, today I would like to start with AI Builder, but I will talk to other AI solutions regarding with Microsoft Dynamics and the Power Platform today. And let's start with AI Builder. So this is one of the important slides actually here, because so everything is started with the paper based, and then experts actually were doing their stuff in the paper, and then we designed the beautiful apps and the computer ecosystem. It's huge at the moment, and everything changed, and then now we are app-based digital users. We are at the moment, all of us, the digital workers. By the way, we are digital workers, and then according to these digital workers, we know how we have to use the apps, and how we deliver our things with the computer-based ecosystem. So with the computer-based ecosystem, I mean tablets, phones, computers, and then everything. So we know this word, and this word we are using these apps to deliver to our stuff, so what they need for us. But at the moment, we are between two generations. Next generation is the apps with AI automated, and we are again the digital users. We are again the digital workers, but lots of things will be delivered by AI-based solutions in the near future. And today, I will demonstrate to you one of these AI-based solutions here. So let's continue. If we talk about, if we go back to AI Builder after this introduction, for the AI Builder, what kind of scenarios we have? So form processing, reception processing, business card readers are part of documents. And vision processing also we have, and prediction and language-based operations. We are able to do these, the AI-based scenarios. Actually, we can deliver this stuff with the Power Platform AI Builder. So what kind of scenarios actually these are? These are here. Basically, document extraction, word extraction, language detection, and form processing. So these are the part of the AI Builder, and these are the ready solutions at the moment to use for everybody who can access the Power Platform. There are two types items here, actually, AI models here. One is the custom one, another one is the pre-built AI models. And for the custom models, so that these are part of the AI Builder, and you are able to select one of these items inside of the AI Builder, and inside of the AI Builder, you can deliver the stuff. But pre-built AI models also can part of the Power Apps and the Power Automate. Via this Power, actually, we are able to extend capability of these AI models, and then we can extend our range of these AI models. So basically, if we go forward, custom models, as I said earlier, prediction, form processing, object detection, category classification, and entity extraction. These are ready custom models we are able to use with the AI Builder, and these are ready to use. And then pre-built models also can be usable with the other solutions as well. Inside of the other solutions, we are able to use all this stuff. So basically, if we go through with some of the AI solutions, let me continue. Yes, just a second, please. Yes. Yeah. Inside of the prediction, actually, as you know, we are able to select some data and we are able to train the model. After that point, actually, this giving us some specific business outcomes for the prediction based. Form processing you heavily using for the invoices at the background, but I use this for the handwriting determination as well. So it was very useful when I use it. And so basically you can scan emails, PDF images, and everything with this AI solution. Every form you can read with this one, and you can take the items to different applications, what it extracted from these forms. Object detection actually, so the detecting the objects actually what you need looking for actually. In that example, you can see it's bicycle detected, and then buses are detected here, and ball is detected, and the cars are detected. So what you need to detect, object detection can work on these image or the video and then take the result actually. And categories classification is the classification at the text, and then I have also one example with this today. Basically, this is my last slide with the AI approaches, AI builder, and then when you compare these AI builder and the Azure Cognitive Services AI, so there are some differences. The AI builder is no-code, low-code solution. This is important point, but as a cognitive services is completely full AI solution and the machine learning algorithm. So these are different than each other. And there is no machine learning extract in the AI builder side, but in the Azure Computer Services, you are able to achieve this point as well. So the important point here, you have to know what you need, and accordingly, you have to deliver your things in the which environment. You have to know that basically. So in that point, I would like to show you something from my another screen. So here, if you remember, AI Builder is an issue like array like that, and we have trained models here. And for these models, actually, category classification and then text and object detection. Actually, for these items, last month I already delivered some beautiful examples. But just to remind you, I would like to make a quick test for you, and you can understand here. This is a hospital example, and I like of the cleaning, or maybe better English. Your your hospital was clear, and people at the reception were helpful. So I just wrote to this context, and then I'm putting the test button here. And this trained solution now should determine what kind of tax actually and what is it related. And then it says that it's related facilities. You can see here, it says it's related facilities. And so hospital was clear. if I do that, sometimes it's not giving the beautiful solutions. And maybe I can say that, or just remove that one. People at reception are full. Then I'm clicking the test button. Now let's see what will happen. And it's really regarding with check-in now. So basically, this is a word determination system and the category classification structure of this AI builder, and it's working like that. And then you can use this stuff inside of your different solutions as well. An example, Power Automate. So it's loading now. Oops, what happened? Okay, continue. Now, okay. And inside here, so we are able to get results from predict, and we are able to parse string outputs, and we can add this stuff inside of Dynamics or Power Platform with using create report. And inside of this table, I am able to put them with score type and then with the feedback. So basically, all these results coming from here after this text happened, created, I am able to get in the Dynamics. And otherwise, inside of Dynamics, if somebody created a predict or we got any healthcare feedback, we are able to run this Power Automate, and with this Power Automate, we are able to get the results in the Dynamics with the other one. So basically, this is how this stuff is working, and all of them are ready to use. Just you need to train these models. This is the point of this AI builder. And now let's continue with the other stuff of my presentation. Yes, another one is sales insight. I know we are talking about customer service today, but sales insight also help to customer service as well, because inside of the sales insights, there are some useful items, and these items actually, these assistants actually helping to us. So the relationship assistance, one of these solutions, this is usually you can see in the sales side of the Dynamics, but main time as a customer representative who are using the customer service area of Dynamics also can achieve these area as well if their license allows that, and they're able to see these predictions as well of the relationship assistance basically. This is the one of the points you are able to use the relationship assistance. So just a second. Yeah. Yeah. With this relationship assistance, this is also AI model at the background, and then this is the trained model, but we can't reach this and we can't get the output of this system like AI builder, because this is directly inside of the Microsoft Dynamics, and this is one of the core modules of this site, and then you can see the outcome in the sales accelerator as well. So let's see how it's working. Yes, as you can see here, inside of the sales accelerator, this system is giving this some guidance to us and checking the everything. And the sales accelerator contains couple of AI solutions at the background, more than one AI solutions it has at the background, and is checking our opportunities, our contacts, our accounts, and main time our leads and our email and the phone records section, what we created in the activities as well. And according to this, it deciding to next actions. And also not just like this, also it's scoring to our leads and the other records as well. For this opportunity, you are able to see there is a score here, and this score is coming from the what kind of activities we delivered regarding to this opportunity, and also this is routing us for regarding to this customer, regarding to this client actually. So this is how this AI solution is working at the background. Unfortunately, we can't see the outcomes like our solution AI builder, but only we can do that. We can come to global settings, and in here we can check the overview at the insights assistance studio, and from here we are able to see the some activities, and then we can train this AI solution from here, and we were able to see the some settings. And this is just the setting based solution inside of the Microsoft Dynamics as well. So this was another tool actually I can say, and another AI solution. Let's talk about another one, which is customer insights. Customer insights also one of the important solution. Why? Because customer insights also contains lots of AI models at the background, and it's able to check all this stuff what you're able to see on the screen, and you are able to train these with the different methodologies. Also, you are able to use Azure machine learning structure with this application. So main issue here is the enrichment. Main capability of this solution is enrichment. Why? Because it's checking the data, and then you are looking to how you can enrich these data in this system, and it's giving some interest, brand affinities, and buy statistics, and some of the related things. And these can be changed in time accordingly, and you are able to change each stuff here, so that you can completely remove the brand affinities from here, and then you can put the different AI model which works with this solution. You can directly put to here. So this is the good point of this solution. It's also customizable. So let's continue with the other slide. And lead generation, campaigns, website, and all other stuff. It's collecting data, and this collected data became part of this AI solution machine learning, and via that way, this system is learning and delivering the outcome for you. So what it's trained to do? It's trained to create a 360-degree customer view. It's checking interactions, transactional data, behavioral data, demographic, and surveys, if there is any regarding service, and interest comes from the analytics. And then it's checking all this stuff at the background according to where you are retrieving this data, and via that way, it's creating some view regarding to this customer, as I showed previous slide. This is the main issue of this solution, why we should use customer insights, because this is giving us a pure communication points regarding this client actually, because it's checking everywhere and we are able to see which channel these user or client actively using, and then we can go through with this channel. And if this user is the clicking to our advertisement, and then we can take the reaction of this person with advertisement. But if this person is usually using our apps or maybe our social media accounts, and we can go through to that point to take the action, make action from these users. That's the point actually. And also customer insights can usable with the as a relationship analytics as well. With the customer insights, we are able to use this as a widget inside of the different solutions in the Dynamics as well. And another tool today I would like to demonstrate to you is the omnichannel engagement platform called Flexi. This is built by us, and then Flexi allows you to get data from live chat channels, email, SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and it also has the API and the framework, and you can extend it with the different solutions as well. So nowadays, what companies are doing, basically, they are able to send more than thousands WhatsApp messages or SMSs for the marketing, and they are able to use this solution as a sales-based application. Nobody doesn't know at the moment WhatsApp also contains a sales solution at the background. And today I will demonstrate to you how you can sell from WhatsApp as well. And so these can be used as a service solution in the Dynamics, and all your operational systems can be part of this solution. So basically, when you send a marketing material as an email to the 1,000 person or the 1,000 client, these can be only achieve 100, 120 person as well. That's all. And all other data will be not used or people delete. But when you send a WhatsApp message, WhatsApp marketing message, which is called the promotional messaging. And so basically, this is reading by 908 people in first 4 minutes. This is the point actually. At the moment, WhatsApp and the SMS is much more better channels for the marketing rather than email. So basically, this solution, Flexi, is staying between Omnichannel Hub and then website Dynamics portals and the social media. So it's delivering some AI-based solutions at the background, and it's using the AI solutions and then some the Azure solutions as well for the training data models. And via these solutions, you can also achieve more than one locations for your customers or your clients where they are touching you. You are able to touch them via same way. Actually, this is the point of this solution of the omnichannel platforms. Actually, this is not for Flexi. This is commonly for the omnichannel platforms. Actually, this can be possible. So all this channel is accessible, and this retrieve the data from this channel, and then it's using some analytics data inside of the AI solutions and delivering these again to the different areas as well. This is the point. So basically, before go forward, I would like to deliver a different demonstration for you this time. Just a second, please. And there is one item here I would like to retrieve. I will share my entire screen again, and I would like to show you something. So basically, this is a QR code, and you can read you can go through actually to use this AR code, sorry, QR code, and then I will do that in a few minutes actually. Then I will share this again because I would like to do a demo for you regarding to this one. And meantime, you are able to see my WhatsApp here, and my dynamics also here as well, not sales I have completed, and then so as a customer service person, yeah, case management. Now I will deliver you a completely different demo regarding to this issue. Okay, while preparing these screens and meantime, I took my phone, and from this phone, actually, I'm taking picture of the AI solution, QR code, and then it's saying directly opening the WhatsApp in my phone, and you can see here it's wrote Hello Flexi menu EN. And this is the opening a menu in my WhatsApp. When I clicked this button, so you can see here, survey, automation test, event registrations, what is Flexi, and the start shopping area here as well. Let's start with the start shopping. I will click this button. I will click this button, and I'm waiting. At the background, you are able to see when I do something, it's informing here at the right-hand side of my screen. And I'm able to see the products, what this company is selling. Oh, this company is a dynamics company. And in here, I'm able to achieve some trainings. And look at this, Dynamics 365 application training. And I'm saying to add to cart. And I'm going to my cart, and I've got to buy this. Okay, let's go. And now what will happen? System at the background, again, took to my request and created a payment link for me. Via that way, when I go to use this payment link, I am able to pay with my credit card or whatever, debit card or something like that. So basically, this is the payment point for you, for me, and I can pay with this one. This is the how you can shop something from WhatsApp area. And let's continue with the different one. So you can get the different information also as well. So you can imagine that this is your company's WhatsApp channel, and then in here you are able to give some information about your company as well, like this. So this was one example. Another example, maybe this one. So in here you can tell your client what you are doing actually. And then in this example, you can see, so with the automated bot I am talking, and then with this automated bot, I am retrieving some data regarding the company. And I can join some surveys as well. Let's do that. So do you like the features of Flexi? I'm saying yes. And another question. Would you like us to contact you to better introduce Flexi? Yes. Now, you can see here, so basically, I don't write anything. If I want, I can do that, an example. But until now, I didn't wrote anything. I didn't write anything. Did you notice that? I'm using WhatsApp, but always I'm clicking something. This is the better customer experience to use the WhatsApp here. Let's make it more complex. But before make it more complex, I would like to show you something. In here, I back to my dynamics. And in the dynamics, I am seeing that there are some conversations here. And you can see all the conversations, what I did in a few minutes ago. So I'm able to see here. Can you imagine that? This is here. And all this stuff also, it's syncing with dynamics at the background. There are some services are running. And when I go to conversation area, main time in the dashboard, you can get to some useful informations for your usage actually. I'm going to conversation area. Yeah, my matching is a little bit slow nowadays. Sorry about that. Okay, I will completely close my PowerPoint presentation. Maybe this will help me to a little bit free the memory. So basically, I'm clicking again to conversations. Dynamics is slow. You can see it's very slow now. Or maybe my Chrome doesn't work. Anyway, what will I do? I will try to close this one. Okay, I will close all of them and I will reopen it. While reopening it, actually, so I will completely close this Chrome browser. Just a second, please. Meantime, I will deliver you a different demo as well. So I will back to this conversation area later. So basically, you can think about that. I am a client and I'm using the air condition of this company. Okay. And with this air condition, I have some problems, basically. And then I can decide to write to this client, this company's WhatsApp channel, and I decided to take an advice regarding my problem. So basically, I have some wording here. Just a second. I already wrote my sentences before my demonstration. Okay. So basically, I can say that as a client. So I am having issues with my condition. Okay, I need your help. And my remote control doesn't work. Okay, by the way, my Chrome is opening at the background. I will put my here. And okay, and what will I wrote to here? I changed the batteries, but it still doesn't work. Okay, before do that, I would like to enter my username and password. Okay, I am in the Flexi as well. So, okay, I changed the batteries, but it still doesn't work. I sent this wording to Flexi and this the WhatsApp channel. You can imagine that in same second, I got this thing, remote control issue. It looks like you need to reset your remote. When I checked the system, I realized that you have a D12345 model air conditioner. Please press on and off and the mode buttons for 3 seconds. System directly find that I have a D12354 model item. And then just a second, I will duplicate my screen and I would like to show you how it found that. This is part of conversational AI. At the moment, our AI solution checked the user's data and found that these users already have D12345 model air condition. And there's a common problem with these remote controls. So let's check that how it knows that. Okay. When I go to sellers, when I go to invoices, and orders as well, it doesn't matter. So basically, important point, there should be a completed transaction by someone. And you can see here, this customer has this product, you can see. And AI model worked at the background, and AI models decided that this person has this air condition. And meantime, this system also checked one more thing. Is there any knowledge base article for this stuff? And in here, you can see D12345 remote control issue. Then system will route to this user regarding to this sentence and regarding to these details in a minute. Let's see what will happen. You can see it. It looks like you need to reset your remote. So this wording also here. And this is coming to my WhatsApp conversation as well. So let's continue. Does it work? I'm a problem customer and I'm saying, no, it didn't work. Now it said that, would you like me to send a picture of the buttons? Can you imagine that? System knows there's a buttons here, and the AI model knows that there's a image here, and it's asking to send this picture actually. And I'm saying, yes, I need. And you can see it sent me this picture. Here. Please press buttons for 3 seconds. And at the background also, this is the one issue here, but at the background we have different entities as well. In these entities, there are some complex scenarios regarding to some products, and system knows that this product and the other issues as well. And regarding to this, system is deciding to decided to talk with this client via that way. And as you can see, I think problem is solved. Now, on the other hand, maybe different scenarios can be possible here. System can create a case at the background, and then this case can be related with the different issues as well, and you are able to check this. But basically, this conversational AI solution is help to this user over WhatsApp. Can you imagine that? I never talked with an agent until now. I just talk with one AI solution. That's the point of this solution. So let's continue with different stuff. Okay. So this time we will see a different example. I'm saying to use here. And as a user, I am away. I will take my site online. In this example, I have a dentist appointment, and I didn't go there actually, and I just late 5 minutes. So basically like that, I had a dental appointment yesterday. In that example, you can imagine I am talking with a polyclinic, or maybe I am talking with a hospital actually. Okay, this is a different example rather than air condition. This is hospital example, and I arrived 5 minutes late due to heavy traffic. The woman at the reception told me they had taken another patient. So basically what happened here, I late 5 minutes, but the lady at the reception took the other patients to this appointment. So basically what happened, I waited for the other 3 patients to finish their sessions. I was very disappointed and stayed. Oops, while writing, I'm making some mistakes. Stayed there for hours. So basically, these are wordings of mine. I was very disappointed, and I stayed there for 1.5 hours, for 5 minutes late, actually. This is a complaint from the one client, actually, to the WhatsApp channel of my company. Okay, let's do what I can do for this person. And while writing this person, I seen there are some things, and this time I'm not talking with AI solution. This time I'm talking with the real agent. And you can see here, so that there are 2 important points actually I would like to talk with you. One is that I had a dental appointment yesterday. I wrote that. And then I arrived 5 minutes late. It's translating to different language as well. Main time. At the same time, when I got to this one, it's translating to different language as well. You can imagine that you are in somewhere of the world, and you don't know English, but somebody writing with the English, and you are able to get them to do your language. This is very interesting point of these AI capability. Also, you can see that from the sentiment analysis. So there is a negative phase here. make this person happy. And in here, I have one AI solution. And with this AI solution, what can I do? I can click the open card, contact card now. And what happens? Now, this is opening me the contact card of this user. And I would like to share my WhatsApp, not WhatsApp actually, the browser, because you can see better, and because when I shared the entire desktop, so the wordings are very small, I know that, and now I'm sharing my browser. So basically, it's loading now, and I am able to see who is this customer, and what is our background with this customer? Every detail I am able to see in Dynamics. Just I clicked one button, actually. You've seen that. Just I clicked the open contact card button at the right hand side, and now I'm able to see all details here, as you can see. So my other stuff, other conversations are here, and then other important points I'm able to get. And then, as you know, this is Microsoft Dynamics, and then if we need any extra details here, and we can retrieve these data as well, so we are able to see there's a loss of conversation, and then background issue here. So basically, what I would like to do, so I need to give an answer to this person, and I'm continuing my conversation from this screen, because without left my screen, I am able to talk with this user from here. And then I'm thinking this is the AI-based issue I can help from the artificial intelligence. And there is one button here, create an AI case. I'm clicking this button now. And when I click this button, all this conversation is going to the machine learning solution, which is held on the Azure at the moment. And it's analyzed all this conversation. And accordingly, it's creating a case for me. Okay. And so let's see what it created with this case. It's creating a case for me at the moment. Let's see what will happen, because I am using as an agent, as a customer representative, I am getting the information or not information, but the guidance from the artificial intelligence. Voila, can you see that? It's related with dental, it's related with appointment, it's related with reception, it's related with long wait. Can you imagine that? And it also created the clickable button for this WhatsApp conversation here. And all this stuff, it's created by artificial intelligence at the background. And it's helping me for this stuff. And in here, I'm able to write. Can you imagine that? It's saying WhatsApp. And maybe there are some extra information here, I don't know. So the case-related things, it's a problem. Can you imagine that? It's created this case with AI, and just with this conversation, this conversational AI. And now I would like to again see this customer, and it's waiting my answer at the moment. I didn't give any answer late. You can see I didn't give any answer yet. But what should I do? You can imagine there is an AI advice here. AI advice is the text area here. And if AI solution knows the related issue, and it's giving some advice. Appointment late arrival, one is the advice here. Appointment long wait, and appointment reception. Do you know what they are? They are my quick replies in here. Appointment long wait, appointment reception, appointment late arrival. And system advising me you can select one of these wording and you can send this conversation pre-populated. These are already in the system. These are quick replies. These are already we put in the system when we built this system. And there are some context inside of this quick replies. When I clicked it as advised, I'm clicking the appointment late arrival. When I click that, you can see here, I am sorry to hear that. Since many people prefer our hospital, it's very busy. I will make sure that the necessary warnings go to my friends. But for your subsequent appointments, please make sure to be there 10-15 minutes earlier. Now I am creating a case follow for this situation. Can you imagine that? System automatically generated advised me this one, and I sent this context to my client. And when I share my screen with my WhatsApp again, you can see answer is here. I'm sorry to hear that, blah, 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 blah. So basically, this is power of conversational AI. And via this conversational AI, what you can do, you can understand for all clients, all customers, compliance or the help request or whatever it is actually, basically, what they want to write to you, they can write. What they want to write, they can write. But via that way, system can help via bots, as you can see. This was my first example here in the WhatsApp area. And then second one is the part of the another conversational AI, and it directly created this case here when we click the button. Can you imagine that? This is very, very easy solution for customer representative and then for the case workers and these kind of people, basically. This is created automatically. So basically, this is end my presentation. I am very appreciate you listening me in this presentation. I hope this also was the interesting for you as well. Anytime you can check this AI-based solution. We are reading this barcode with your phones. You can try now, and basically you will achieve these menu and the other related things which are related with dynamics and these AI solution. You can also achieve this one. You can test yourself. And this is end of my presentation. If you have any questions, so I try to help you to answer these questions.
Thank you so much, Baris. Wow. Well, first of all, not only have you shown and broken down how AI works in Dynamics 365, but you've also showed this brand new feature that you've released. So this is huge. So thank you so much, because this is actually very timely, because the remaining sessions of today will be focused on omni-channel, which this is exactly showing how to infuse omni-channel AI with WhatsApp, right? So this is really good. So Baris, I think the audience wants you to share the links, any links you have.
Mm-hmm.
If you could share them in the chat so they can keep in touch with you, that'd be really helpful.
Mm-hmm. Yes, anytime you can go through this QR code, and then you can check the same stuff actually. What I did, you can do yourself actually.
That's great, Barry. So if you could share the links to contact you and keep in touch with you on social media, as well as the website, that would be really helpful.
Oh, yes. I closed my presentation actually to give some extra resource to my computer. I'm opening it now.
Yeah.
2 minutes.
But if you could post it in the chat, I think that would also be quite helpful.
Mm-hmm.
Fantastic, Baris. Yeah, excellent. It's just because it's a bit easier for people to access via the chat. So that's really good, Barry. So Barris, it's a huge pleasure. Thank you for showing a hands-on demonstration of this, of infusing AI and omni-channel and WhatsApp integration to Dynamics. This is really great use case here. So thank you so much for doing that. Great feedback from the community, Reggie and Nesta and everyone. Great feedback. So thank you once again. It's always a great pleasure hosting you, Barris, and I hope to see you in person very soon.
Yeah, thank you very much. So if you visit my website, bariskanlika.com, actually, I will write this in a minute to this chat area. Just a second, please. You will achieve that. So you can find every link actually regarding with me at the top of this sequence. So my LinkedIn profile, Twitter profile, Instagram, or the whatever actually I have. You can achieve here my video, podcast, and all other stuff you are able to achieve from these areas. Everything is here.
Fantastic. That's perfect. Excellent. Well, thank you once again, Barris, for joining us today. And I'm sure we will see you very soon.
Okay, thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Fantastic. So that was Barris.